In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Logitech G29 on PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The G29 from Logitech is a steering wheel designed to be used with PlayStation consoles, so as you can see, the PlayStation logo is present right here. You will be able to easily connect it to a PlayStation 5 or a PlayStation 4. The very first thing that you have to do is check for any physical switches. So usually there will be a switch located right here at the top of the steering wheel. If you can set it to PlayStation, do it now. And don't worry, even if it says PlayStation 4, it is still going to work with the PlayStation 5. Just make sure that you set it to PlayStation if there is a physical toggle right here. Once this toggle is swapped into PlayStation mode, the next thing that you have to do is connect it to any of the available USB ports on your console. So you can either use the front ones or the back ones. If you have a USB hub, it should work as well. You just need to make sure that it is properly connected and receiving power. Once the USB has been connected from the G29 into the PlayStation 5, you are good to go. There is nothing else to do. You can just open any compatible game and it is going to work natively. Keep in mind, however, that not all games are going to have support. An example of games with full support would be Gran Turismo 7. This game will have full feedback and you will be able to control everything. So if you go into these settings, as you can see, you have a lot of options. Controller settings, you will be able to change the force feedback torque, force feedback sensitivity, and this is going to be reflected on your G29. So you can drive around, use it however you prefer, and you will be good to go. However, some games, an example being GTA 5, will have no support, and if that's the case, then you will not be able to use it at all. The G29 only supports specific games, and if you notice that it doesn't work when you open something like GTA, it could indicate that the game that you are trying to play does not have controller support for steering wheels. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Logitech G29 on PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.